Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram your account was compromised problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on Instagram apps. You can see that this icon, tap on this, scroll down little bit, tap on storage. You can see here clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear data, go back, tap on permission, tap on all permission. Now go back to your home screen, go back to your Play Store apps, search here Instagram. You can see that your Instagram apps is already latest version and update. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone power icon. Now restart your phone and device. Now go back your Instagram apps. Tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on your account center. Go down, tap on password and security. After that, tap on change password. You can see here two options, Facebook and Instagram. Tap on Instagram. You can see here your Instagram change password, current password, new password, and retype new password. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.